In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep conversations organized and make sure your response lands in the right place. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and hit Enter. Click the official Slack website from the results. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in to your workspace. You can follow the same process in the Slack desktop app if you prefer. The steps for replying are the same once you're inside Slack. Once you're in, open the channel where the conversation is happening. Channels appear in the left sidebar, and you can pick any channel or direct message where the original post lives. Opening the right space first helps you reply in the correct context and ensures the right teammates are notified. Now, locate the specific message you want to reply to. Scroll through the channel and pause on the exact message you're addressing, not just the most recent one. This is key. Replying directly to the message keeps your response grouped with it, so everyone can follow the thread later. Hover your mouse over that message. You'll see a small toolbar appear with several icons. Click the reply icon, often shown as a speech bubble and labeled Reply in Thread. This opens a thread panel to the right of your Slack window. Threads keep side conversations tidy, reduce channel noise, and make it easier for teammates to catch up on decisions without scrolling through the entire channel. In the thread panel, type your message. Be clear and specific so readers instantly understand your point. If you need someone's attention, use an @mention. You can format text with bold, italics, or code snippets using the formatting bar, and you can paste links for extra context. If you're replying with an update or an answer, it's helpful to reference the original point briefly so others see the connection at a glance. When you're ready, click Send. By default, pressing Enter will also send your message, while Shift plus Enter creates a new line. Your reply now appears in the thread, and the original message will show a replies count beneath it. Teammates can click that to view the full conversation without cluttering the main channel. That's it. Open Slack, go to the right channel, choose the exact message, click the reply icon, type your response, and send. You've just kept your conversation clean, searchable, and easy for your team to follow.